Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by building the flavor base. Brown your meat or toast fish quickly to lock juices and set aside. Once done, heat the palm oil gently until it liquefies and darkens slightly. This concentrates the nutty aroma. Add blended onions and garlic to the hot oil and sauté until fragrant and the raw smell is gone. Stir regularly to avoid burning because palm oil carries flavor fast. This step creates the aromatic backbone that carries all later ingredients. You now introduce the acidic and spicy elements. Pour in the blended tomatoes and peppers, then lower heat so the sauce reduces and concentrates. Make sure to add smoked paprika and bouillon for depth. These seasonings replace and enhance natural umami. Once the sauce thickens, return your browned protein to the pot and stir to coat. Cover and simmer for 20 to 30 minutes so collagen breaks down and flavors marry. Stir occasionally. You finish by brightening and texturing the stew. Fold in chopped greens or sliced fresh peppers in the last 5 minutes so they keep color and bite. Taste and adjust salt and acidity. A squeeze of lemon or a splash of vinegar balances heavy palm oil. If the stew is too greasy, skim excess oil or stir in a spoonful of mashed yam, cassava, or cooked potato to absorb fat. Once balanced, serve hot with rice, fufu, or bread and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.